Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are breaking down an important chart pattern that can help you spot potential trend reversals, and the pattern we are talking about is the ending diagonal pattern in Elliott Wave Theory. Okay, now this pattern often signals that a trend is losing momentum and that a major market shift could be on the horizon. If you've ever found yourself entering trades too late or missing reversal points, learning how to identify and trade the ending diagonal pattern could be a game changer. Okay, but before we jump in, hit that like button to support the channel, and if you are new here, subscribe for more forex trading strategies and market analysis. Okay, now let us get started. What exactly is an ending diagonal? An ending diagonal pattern, and why is it important? Now, in Elliott Wave Theory, an ending diagonal is a unique formation that occurs at the end of a strong trend. Okay, it typically appears in wave 5. All right, typically appears in wave 5 of an impulse wave or wave C of a corrective wave. All right, signaling that the trend is losing strength and a reversal or correction is likely. Now, let's talk about some key characteristics of the ending diagonal pattern. Okay, it's a 5-wave structure. The ending diagonal pattern is a 5-wave structure. Okay, it consists of 5 sub waves moving in the direction of the main trend. Okay, and then there are converging trend lines. Okay, unlike a normal impulse wave, the trend lines of an ending diagonal move closer together, right? As we can see here on this chart, they move closer together, forming a wedge shape. All right, and there is usually an overlap of wave 1 and wave 4. This is a key sign that differentiates it from a standard impulse wave. Okay, and then you will notice weakening momentum. Price action starts to show exhaustion, often with divergence on RSI or MACD indicators. Now, the ending diagonal pattern is often followed by a sharp market reversal. Can you see what happened here? It's often followed by a sharp market reversal. Okay, making it a powerful signal for traders to prepare for a shift in direction. Now, let us talk about how to spot an ending diagonal pattern on your price charts. Okay, the first step is to look for a wedge formation. All right, look for a wedge formation. Identify a 5-wave structure that forms a narrowing wedge. All right, now the trend lines connecting the highs and lows should converge, or rather be going towards a converging point. Okay, they should not exactly be parallel to each other. All right, then check for wave overlap. Unlike a normal impulse wave, an ending diagonal allows for some overlap. Okay, so that is one of the characteristics that you should be looking out for. Okay, the overlap between wave 1 and wave 4. Okay, you should be looking out for the overlap between wave 1 and wave 4. So this overlap is a key sign that momentum is slowing down. All right, now the third step is to confirm with indicators. Okay, you can actually use RSI, or MACD to check for bearish or bullish divergence. All right. Now, if price is making higher highs but RSI is making lower highs, for example, it suggests a potential reversal. Now, once you've identified an ending diagonal, the next step is knowing how to trade it, whether it's in a bull market or in a bear market. Okay, you should know how to trade this pattern. When you see an ending diagonal forming, you need to be prepared for a breakout or reversal trade. Now, for your entry strategy, you should be looking out for a break below the lower trend line in a bearish in a bearish ending diagonal, right? That is, if it's a bearish reversal that is about to happen, be looking for a break below the lower trend line, okay, or a break above the upper trend line in a bullish ending diagonal, and ensure that you wait for confirmation, okay, with a strong candle close outside the wedge. All right. Then next, place your stop loss above the last high in a bearish ending diagonal or below the last low in a bullish ending diagonal. This protects you from false breakouts. Okay. Now, for your take profit targets, the first target is the beginning of the ending diagonal structure. Okay. The beginning of the ending diagonal structure, which is, if you enter a sell here, the beginning of this structure should be your target. If you enter a buy here, the beginning of this structure should be your target. Okay. Then your first, that is your first target, right? For your second target, if Fibonacci retracement levels such as 38.2% or 50% of the previous trend could be your second target. Now, the key to trading this pattern successfully is patience and confirmation. All right. It is essential that you exercise patience, right? And it is essential as well that you always get confirmations. Get your confirmations right before you go ahead to execute your trades. Okay, you can see in this particular example, right after the breakout of the breakout from the lower trend line, this is a bearish ending diagonal, right? Because it was a bearish breakout. So you can see that the bearish breakout took place. You can see that a bearish breakout took place and the decline was still ongoing, right? And there could be there could be further declines even from this point. So after the breakout, you can just watch out for a retest, and after the retest, you can go ahead to enter your trade, a sell trade if it's a bearish breakout in the direction of the breakout, or if it's a bullish breakout, going to be a buy trade in the direction of the breakout. But make sure you always get your confirmations first. Okay, it is very important, and that is how you trade. That's how you identify and trade ending diagonal pattern. This is one of the most powerful trend exhaustion signals in Elliott Wave Theory, and when used correctly, it can help you spot potential reversals before they happen. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Forex trading tutorials, technical analysis, and market breakdowns. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is another pattern you'd like me to cover next. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.